This is Financial Calculator. It costs $50 and it takes hours to master it. Fortunately, in the 21st century, we don't need this anymore. If you live in Canada and are thinking about buying a home, this is the simplest calculator, affordability calculator that you can use today. So right now, in a few seconds, I'm going to switch to my computer screen so you can see better, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to use this calculator. Ready? Let's go!
In the next few moments, I'm going to show you a really simple calculator that you can use in Canada that will calculate how much mortgage you can afford. The calculator will be asking you the same questions that your mortgage professional, either independent or at bank, will be asking you, so that way you will be ready and prepared. Question like, what's your income? What other debts are you paying? How much down payment you have? And also a mortgage professional will or bank will check your credit score, but it's a good idea to know where you stand, preferably over 680 points. And they will also ask you if you have any idea what kind of interest rate you're looking for, either for variable, 5-year fixed, 2-year fixed. And what I have here for you are two amazing resources, one being CMHC, Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation, provided to you by Government of Canada, where you can calculate mortgage affordability by clicking buying a home, calculators, mortgage affordability calculator. And the other one is Genworth Canada, which is more user friendly. So you will go to home buyers, home buying calculations, and what can I afford. The links for both sites are below this video in the description, so don't worry if you don't memorize where it is. Just click on the link below and it will take you there. This is really straightforward. So your income, let's say you make $45,000 a year and your spouse makes $45,000 a year, which is in total $90,000. Debt payments, let's say that you both have a student loan, $150 each, and that's $300, and let's say you pay another $200 on credit cards, so that's $500. Interest rate in today's market, as I'm shooting this video, you can get 2.89% amortization, 25 years. Heating is usually calculated as $75 per month. Condominium fee, I'm assuming you're buying a house, so there will be zero condominium fee. And property tax is usually 1% of the property, depending where you live. So if you live in the GTA area, it will be around 1%. So from, let's say, $300,000, 1% is $3,000, so that would be your property tax. So we came up with number $443,254. So let's pull up the calculator and put these numbers there. 443,254. So it's important to know that this number represents your mortgage, and this is not the price of your house. You will need to save up at least 5% or more. So let's say in this example you have 5% for down payment. This is 95%, so to calculate the entire price of your home that you can afford is we divide it by 95%. So in this case you could be buying a home for $466,583. So I hope you like this little tool. It's really user friendly. then you can play with it. Obviously, the more income you have, the more expensive house you can buy, and on the other hand, the more you spend on your credit cards, the more you pay for your cars and loans, like student loans. You can see the number goes down. So it is really important to know your credit score. Of course, you know your income, but if you're not sure about your credit score, or if you think your credit score might be on the lower side, there's another video on my website gtalenders.com where you can find a step-by-step guide how you can improve your credit score.
So what do you think? Pretty simple, isn't it? So now you'll be educated. When you speak to your mortgage professional, you'll know what questions to ask. There are more questions on my website. And also, if you remember, I mentioned the credit score. There is another video similar to this one that you saw, instructional video, where I will show you a few simple steps how you can improve your credit score. If you think it's not the best, then I will show you how to get it from here to here, from good to excellent. And it only takes few steps, and it's free. It doesn't cost you a penny. So go to my website gtalenders.com, and I'll see you later. Take care. Have a good day.